Oluwatona. Yeah, 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 yeah. This one I grab you, ja, ba, da. Me, I no get tired, da, ba, da, da, da.
Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new vlog. Igama lam nguThembeka, so I'm also known as uThembeka Magolwane. If you are new here, welcome and thank you so much for popping by. I hope that you will hit the subscribe button. If you've been here, you're my dear one. Thank you so much and welcome back. Guys, I'm so tired. Guys, it is a Saturday. Yeah, it is a Saturday. I just thought, you know what, let me just come start this vlog because I did not vlog, like I can't even vlog, eh? It's been days for so that one, but I'm trying to let me start this because next week in Inani is when you unsubscribe. Yeah, guys. Next week Friday, if I don't upload in when unsubscribe, guys, it is a Saturday and I just got back. I just got back home from church when it's going, guys, and yo Nandi. Yo, guys, like bekumnandi and funokoga. Like I did not even think about vlogging, guys. And also like I struggle ukuvloga kwindawo ezinabantu abadala, like indawo apho ngiqondayo uba some of people phayana will not be comfortable ngokuvela kwi-vlogs and everything, like kwizinto ze-social media. So yeah, but guys, bekumnandi kakhulu and ngoku ndiqonda uba mandiqale le vlog, guys. I don't think I'll be doing anything much. Njengoba nibona nani, guys, I'm already in my pajamas and ngoku njengoba ndilapha ekamereni ndicinga uba mandiqale le vlog, ndifuna uvula ingubo ndizolala. Phofu andifuni ulala, guys. I just want to catch up on some, I don't know, but I want to catch up on something because it's been a while since Candy Rest and Bukeni Nantika, like into TV and everything. And a plan was that I'm going to mark this weekend, but I'm trying to mark, guys, and mark because I'm so tired. But episode, because if I do fall asleep now while I'm watching something, definitely episode and mark. Then into ndifuna ukuba by Monday ndibe ndigqibile umaka ezi scripts zonke ezinazo. So yeah, guys, man, let's start this vlog. Let me just go and get myself a glass of, I think into zandinceda and fall asleep quickly, ndiphumle, so that I can rest, is a glass of. So let's go get a glass of, guys. Let's go. Guys, this is how my garden looks currently. This is how my yard is looking currently. And Sana, I'm tempted ukuzicentela ngokwam apha because kuyoyikeka ngoku guys, kuyoyikeka kakhulu, and I'm worried njengoba kutshisa kanje kuzoba neenyoka. So yeah, this is how it looks okwangoku. I'll see what I can do, guys. I will see what I can do, and definitely nizonibonisa, guys. Morning guys, welcome back to another day of this vlog. Today is a Sunday and sivukile guys, sivukile. Guys, I'm on my way to my mom's house ekhaya ndiyolanda baby K because my mom has to go to church. In fact akayicaweni kuyoxhonywa ibhatyi, so she's going there. So ndiyothatha baby K because izolobeleli kumamam. Guys, I was so tired and my mom was like, you know what, and also because I wanted to mark. So namhlanje ndiyomthatha apha kumamam. Mom has to go. Yeah. Then sizobona uba sithini. Guys, I had planned to work on my garden namhlanje, but indlela le kuvuke kunomoya ngayo, I don't think I'll be able to do that. But instead I think I will just ask someone uba andicentele phayana because I want to work on that, because laa nto bendinibonisa yona is just a portion of what's happening eyadini yam. So ndizocela umntu andicentele. When he's done I will start working. Ndifuna aqale phaya efront, then sizawuya ebheke ke ngoku. And I think ebheke ndizonibonisa sekugqityiwe ucentwa because wow, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. Ndinayo nemithi yepesika ke guys, kwabanyaka abazayo kwabanyaka abazayo nizawuzotya ipesika kwam, ndizawunivunela. Guys, masambe ndiyolanda baby K. Bye. Hi guys, so it's just okay, it's a few minutes before 3 and I'm about to make our Sunday, it's no longer lunch, our Sunday supper dinner. Yeah, dizopheka guys, and I want you guys to join me. So I wanted to make lasagna with veggies. The plan was that I'm going to cook a lasagna with pumpkin and creamy spinach. But unfortunately guys, when I went to Spar earlier, I did not buy itanga because I knew that I had pumpkin up a fridge. Also, I did not get mushrooms from Spar, and Sana, I didn't want to go further into town. Diego should write the box. No, I did not want that, so I decided to let mushrooms go. But when I got here, Sana ndifika itanga lam efrijini limoshakele, so siyalikhupha itanga. We'll see uba yintoni endizoyipheka, but spinach sona I'm definitely gonna make it spinach, and I'm going to make it creamy whether I have mushrooms or not. So senza sibe creamy spinach sam, and see uba yintoni enye endizoyipheka, because to be honest with you guys, andifuna upheka chicken or nyama. Like I just want this simple meal. So you guys are joining me. So I had a little pack lasagna sheets, so I decided to buy from Spar any pack just in case I run out. Then I have what is this, means that we bought from Pick and Pay, and we have crushed garlic, we have cream. I have cream, definitely I'm gonna use it for both spinach and lasagna. I have spinach, I have cheddar cheese, robots, and I also have tomato paste and tomatoes. Guys, this is pretty much what I'm gonna need, but I know banam is called that I'm gonna need but guys when we are cooking. So yes, this is what I have. Guys, yeah, let's start. Let me wear this one. because I can't find my lazy makoti. Yeah, it's not here. It's not here. I don't know. Bana EP and yes, Bana EP. So I'll wear this today.
quiet, I feel you near. Though the world is loud, your voice is clear. In the chaos, you are my peace. Your love, it brings my soul release. I search for light when I feel lost, but you remind me of the cost. You paid the price to set me free. Now your grace is all I see. I'm just an echo of your grace, in the shadow of your embrace. A whisper in the stormy night, guided by your endless light. I'm just a vessel in your hands, led by love I'll never understand. You're the hope I hold so near. Your voice is all I want to hear. When I'm alone, you're by my side. In the darkest moments, you're my guide. You lift me up when I can't stand. My heart is safe within your hands. Even when the path seems unclear, I know your presence always near. You calm the storm inside of fear. With your grace, I'm true. I'm just an echo of your grace, in the shadow of your embrace. A whisper in the stormy night, guided by your endless light. I'm just a vessel in your hands, led by love I'll never understand. You're the hope I hold so near. Your voice is all I long to hear. Every breath I take, I give to you. You're the light that always pulls me through. In your arms I find my home. With you, Lord, I'm never alone. I'm just an echo of your grace, in the shadow of your embrace. A whisper in the stormy night, guided by your endless light. I'm just a vessel in your hands, led by love I'll never understand. You're the hope I hold so near. Your voice is all I want to hear.
Close to me, stay with me, stay. Hold me tight, don't let go, don't let go. You, all I need is you. You, all I need is you. Feel my heart, feel it beating for you, for you. Time stands still when you're near, near me, near me. You, all I need is you. You, all I need is you. In your arms I'm home, I'm never alone. You, all I need is you. You, all I need is you. You, all I need is you. You, all I need is you.
close, I feel the fire. Every touch just takes me higher. You got me lost in your embrace. I can't escape, you set the pace. You turn my world around, babe. Spin me all night long. You turn my world around, babe. With you I feel I belong. You turn my world around, babe. Spin me all night long. You turn my world around, babe. With you I feel I belong. When you hold me close, I feel the fire. Every touch just takes me higher. You got me lost in your embrace. I can't escape, you set the pace. You turn my world around, babe. Spin me all night long. You turn my world around, babe. With you I feel I belong. You turn my world around, babe. Spin me all night long. You turn my world around, babe. With you I feel I belong. Close.
Guys, this is what I'm having, Sana. Can you guys guess what this is? Guys, these are gizzards. I'm having these for the second time now. So this other time my husband went to spa by town and Sana wava reviews Zalamagila and he decided to bring them home. And Sana, guys, you need to taste these. If you're from Stakes Rate or Futa no Spa, please go and get these. Gizzards. Thanks for Spa. These are the best to snack on. Like, oh guys. Oh guys. Sorry. Guys, ndisanda kugodisa ubaby K. I don't know how to ndisanda umgodisa ndithini because apha kokwabo ndisanda uhambisa ubaby K ndimthe kumamam ebengagezi ubaby K Sana. Yay. Sana ubaby K is definitely her grandmother's grandchild, Sana. Xa sifika phaa kamamam ndingathi siyamxokela guys, but ke simhambisile. So I'm having this to snack on. These are the packer. Then I think I need another dust because Sana baby K won't cook. Let me wash this and get myself a glass of.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's the least I'ma do.
Yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. watch trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. Don't you on scene? Think you know your words so funny to me. That's why you think I left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause a house, it's not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you on scene? Think you know your words so funny to me. That's why you think I left by 1 or 2 times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay on your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause a house, it's not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
Guys, this is how it looks now when I remove the foil. So I'm going to put it back to the oven here. I'm going to put it back to the oven without the foil for maybe like 3 to 5 minutes, just to brown it. Yeah.
Confess, you baby, open up your mind and before this love affair began. What if you feel more like I feel? Confusion can't give way to doubt. For there are times when I fall short. What I say I'm all about, all about. You are love. You're the positive motivating force within my life. Should you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know. Let me know.
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby, saying, baby, love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and pour a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, it took taking that off of me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will.
City, yeah, city, oh, la, la. Guys, hi guys. Guess who has 500 subscribers? Dimlo. He let Ombasana. That has 500 subscribers. Guys, Sana, I know, but I'm not pick up without you guys. You guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much, son. Guys, it is a Tuesday. It is a Tuesday and I'm already in my pajamas. More waiting. Kwanto eqhashumbayo nje aphendula ipathi. But let's hold that thought for the weekend. Sizawubona uba nge-weekend senza njani, guys. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. Hayi kaloku, hashtag road to 1K subbies. Guys, Sana, if you are watching and you have not subscribed, please bethuna khawuthi pause kancinci and go back ut that subscribe button ut ngoba kakuthi like, please guys, ndiyacela. Oh guys, thank you so much. Ndiyabulela man, ndiyabulela. Bye guys.
Yithi kunzima sano sabe kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi wena uyozamela ikusasa lethu lapho khona uhlala wazi ukuthi uyini ungithi uya ushabalisa inhliziyo yami.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm tryna stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the babes. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave it. I was on top when that shit meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, and these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a box. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. Mob tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, Baby J. Tell them when I die, put my money in the grave.
Couple freakers kill a skull and collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a Mac. When you niggas thinking small in the mall with a rat. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get $500,000 in a Sprinter. Phone ringing, bitches know a big triple. I got the hook up and there really no limit. Dead brokers in you nigga DNA. Ricky Smile is indicated with the J. Little nigga, just another state case. Bury my motherfucker Chase Bank, time to bounce. Gotta count on my allowance. You niggas pushing, so I gotta rebound it. The nigga tripping like I got $1 zillion. Got the trap jumping like time when I rebound. Then I'm out, and I never talk about it. The homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas in the middle being modest. Cause the way I do my deals, never treated like I bought this one house. You could DM my account. My DM 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures was the goal till I hit it. These niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me.
When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave it.